Hi everybody and welcome to the Made from Scratch tutorials. I go by the name of DJ ND. In the next episodes we're gonna talk about drummings, and we start this week with a technique using swing flares. Check it out. For this drumming we're gonna use swing flares. As a reminder, let me show you how it works on an ass sound. We start with an open crossfader, baby scratch, and then one transform forward and one back. Once again. Alright, let's do it a few times in a row. A bit faster. Alright, so let's apply this to the drum pattern right now. I'm using some drum sounds where you have the kick first and the snare right before. Let's do the swing flare on the kick first. Same technique on the snare. Now a bit faster on the kick. Alright, bit faster on the snare now. And now both together.